Hello friends, International Yoga Day. Whenever we talk about Yoga Day, the first question which comes in our mind is when it was first started. This day was celebrated for the first time on 21st June 2015, which was initiated by Prime Minister of India Shri Narendra Modi in his speech at the United Nations General Assembly on 27 September 2014. On 11 December 2014, a proposal to celebrate International Yoga Day on 21st June was approved by 177 members in the United Nations. This proposal of Prime Minister Modi was passed with full majority within 90 days, which is the shortest time for any day resolution in the United Nations, after which June 21 was declared as International Yoga Day. Now the second question, why is it celebrated on 21st June? This day is the longest day of the year and yoga also gives a long life to a human being. Now let's talk about previous International Yoga Day celebrations. The first International Day of Yoga was observed around the world on 21st June 2015. The Ministry of Ayush made the necessary arrangements in India. 35,985 people, including Narendra Modi and dignitaries from 84 nations, performed 21 asanas, yoga postures for 35 minutes at Rajpath. The day was observed by millions across the world. NCC cadets entered the Limca Book of Records for the largest yoga performance simultaneously by a single uniformed youth organization by performing at multiple venues. Yes, this is not the end. In the very first year, we also set a Guinness World Record. The event at Rajpath established 2 Guinness World Records awarded to the Ministry of Ayush and received by the Minister Shripad Yesso Nayak. They were the largest yoga class of 35,985 people and for the largest number of participating nationalities, 84 nations. Even in San Francisco, 5,000 participants gathered in the Marina Green Park to practice yoga. This is the historical picture of International Yoga Day 2016. India's permanent mission to the UN organized celebrations at the United Nations on 20 and 21st June 2016. A special event titled Conversation with Yoga Masters, Yoga for the Achievement of Sustainable Development Goals was the centerpiece. Jaggi Vasudev was the main speaker at the event. 2017. In Lucknow, the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi participated in the event and practiced yoga along with 51,000 participants. Many business leaders in India also took part in the event. In New York, thousands of participants gathered to practice yoga on Times Square. Japan created a parliamentary league for the promotion of yoga just prior to the event in April 2017. In China, the largest gathering was 10,000 participants in the city of Wuxi. In Athens, the event took place on 25th June as a part of Greek Open Yoga Day. And in Kyiv, the event happened on 18th June and gathered a few hundred participants. In Ireland, participants met in the round room of the City Hall in Dublin. The theme for 2017 was Yoga for Health. International Yoga Day 2018. The event in Dehradun was held at the Forest Research Institute. Prime Minister Modi led an estimated 50,000 volunteers to mark the 4th anniversary of International Yoga Day. The theme for 2018 was Yoga for Peace. Over 1 lakh people gathered at a yoga session in Kota, Rajasthan and performed yoga together, earning the city a Guinness World Record again. 5th International Yoga Day was celebrated zealously in various parts of India. The main event was held in Ranchi and the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, led a crowd of over 40,000 people who attended this event there. The theme of this year's event was Yoga for Heart. At this event, the Prime Minister addressed the people of India, stressing upon the importance of yoga for the overall health of body, mind, society, and even our climate, saying, "Let our motto be Yoga for Peace, Harmony, and Progress." He also said, that the government would be working to make yoga a pillar of the preventive health care and wellness system. Around 1,000 participants, after a month-long practice, gathered at Lakshmi Vilas Palace of Vadodara on 20th June 2019 to perform 108 sun salutations which began at 4:30 am till 6:10 am, non-stop, to celebrate the 5th International Yoga Day. The event has been held for the past 3 consecutive years, a day prior to the International Day of Yoga. At last, now let's talk about International Yoga Day 2020. International Yoga Day 2020 will be celebrated on digital media platforms, and there will be no mass gathering this year in view of coronavirus outbreak, the government said. This year's theme is Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family, and people will be able to join the celebration virtually at 7 am on June 21st, 2020.